I want to see you bust down.
Put it up, now break that shit down.
I'm so sorry, dude. I didn't mean for it to get like that. I never want that to happen ever again. Okay. Yeah, I bust down. Bust down, Tatiana. Bust down, Tatiana. I wanna see you bust down. Pick it up, now break that shit down. Break it down. Speed it up, then slow that shit down on the gas. Slow it down. Hey, what's up, you guys? So basically, I'm chilling here today. I wanted to make another video for you guys. I'm just trying to shoot at all angles to make it look good. What are you guys doing?
We're going to lunch without you.
Why?
Is that how you wanted me to say it?
No, but you didn't really invite me.
Bye, Jojo Siwa. Bye, Jojo.
So you didn't invite me to lunch? Ow. Just went out of focus.
I'm not getting out of focus.
You guys are really leaving?
Yeah, we're getting food. We'll see you later.
Me and Drew went to go get food.
Yeah.
Do you want to go get McDonald's?
I think. Does that answer your question?
No. Hey Josh.
What?
Hey Josh. Do you want to Enya and Drew went to lunch. Do you want to get some McDonald's?
No, why don't you just fucking go with them if you're hungry?
They didn't invite me.
Yeah.
So let's go. We could go on our own lunch.
No, I'm not really hungry.
What do you?
You still? What else do you need? Is that all? Is that it?
Do you want to get McDonald's?
What part of I don't want to get fucking food with you, Josiah, do you not understand? Get out of my bag!
You are an asshole.
Oh my.
You are an asshole.
Josie, calm down. Let me in.
I'm not coming out.
Let me in.
No.
Josie. Hey, no, don't do that, Josie. You know you're gonna regret that. You know you're gonna regret that. Josie,
I'm taking these sleep aid pills if you don't take me to McDonald's.
Oh.
So you'll take me to McDonald's?
No, you're gonna take a nap.
I'm not taking a nap. I've got 16 of these in my hand.
That's a lot. I don't know if you should do all of it.
Why wouldn't I?
Because
you are an asshole.
I'm not going.
You know
I
that?
don't want to get food with you.
You could solve a lot of problems just by getting food with me,
I
though.
have to finish my work, ass.
I'm gonna overdose.
You can't even overdose on those. It would take a gigantic bowl. Let me in.
No.
Get out of my bathroom.
No.
Get out. Don't take my sleeping pills. I need those.
There's like 300 of them.
I don't care. I need them. I'm not gonna take one. Get out.
Leave me alone.
Jesus Christ. You have issues.
Yeah, I have issues. Hello. Guess where we are? Come on. Say McDonald's.
Sit back.
Say McDonald's.
We're at McDonald's.
Sit
Say
back,
McDonald's.
dude. We have
Jesus
food.
Hi. Hi. I think that guy likes me. So we ended up going to McDonald's. Here we are.
To use that in a video today.
I got nuggets.
I know to be good. Those away.
Did you say I've got a lot to learn? Well, don't think I'm trying not to learn, since this is the perfect spot.
What's up, guys? What are you talking about?
Like grub worms and how they turn into
That's
wasps.
not what we were fucking talking about.
And
And he's on her period again.
No, I haven't even had it for like 3 months.
Oh. Wait. What?
That's wrong. What? Are you okay?
Yeah, I know. It was like weird. But I took a pregnancy test and it came out negative, so whatever. I just have like a shit ton left over, which sucks.
You have leftover
Pregnancy test?
test?
Can we take them? I don't know. I've never taken one. I want to try one.
That's so stupid. They're gonna be negative.
Let's take them.
Okay.
loves mambo. Mama loves mambo. Look at him sway with it, getting so gay with it, shouting ole with it. Wow.